Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Rust lagging, freezing and crashing. So let's jump right into the video. This method also helps me, so that's why I decided to create this tutorial for you. So let's jump right into the video. So now what you have to do is to write here system and then click on here system. Now here we have our specification, device specification. What you have to do here is to click on the advanced system settings, and then here click on performance, and then here we are advanced and virtual memory. And here make sure guys, you, let's say if you have 8 or 4 gigabytes, you have to multiply by 2. So for me I have 60, I'll multiply by 2 and I have 30, and you just have to add 3 zeros. So for here multiply by 2 by 8 by 2 and is 60, just add 3 zeros. And 4 multiply by 2, 8, just add 3 zeros. All right, so that's all you have to do. Make sure after you write here, depends on your gigabytes, after you add here the numbers, make sure you click on set so you can add it there, and now click on OK and OK, and that's pretty much it. It's super easy, and I hope this is going to fix the freezing and lagging when you're playing Rust. This fixed the problem for me, even for Warzone and any other game basically, and this can, as I said, this can have the potential to fix any lag in any game and even in any application. When I was editing in Premiere, I also started to crash the game. Now probably that's because of the game, because I know Adobe Premiere is crashing a lot, but still, I hope this is going to help you. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and just tutorials. And like this video, I'll really appreciate that, and will help a lot. This small YouTube channel will really help a lot. So I really appreciate if you could drop a like and subscribe, will help a lot. And take care guys, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.